girl Kayla and I am back with another video, and today is Vlogmas day 6. Y'all, we have been doing so good. Like, I feel like, I don't know, y'all, like, I'm really proud of myself for being able to like do what I've been doing, and it's literally all because I love y'all. And I do see the dollhouse growing into a beautiful, pretty dollhouse. But tonight we're going to be doing my Christmas night routine. It's not really like Christmassy or nothing for real, but like it's basically my night routine, and it's Vlogmas, so like you get the gist. But first things first, what I like to do at night, usually I take out my contacts first, but I don't have a man tonight, so I think I'm gonna jump straight into the shower, and I'll do my skincare a little bit later. So my girlies, right now your girl is on her cherry pop, and let me tell y'all, if y'all are taking birth control, this shit is literally like, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like it's crazy. So like, if you're thinking about getting on birth control, I say think hard and really decide if this is something you want to do, because the cramps, baby, they don't play, sister. They don't play. Like, and it's not just me, it's my homegirl and my sister experiencing it. Like, and we're all on 3 different things. Like, it's crazy. So just think about it. Keep that shit in mind. All right, y'all. So I'm finna go ahead and hop in the shower. Oh yes, I wanted to tell y'all about these brand new mics that I got. I have finally got some mics, so y'all don't have to hear that loud ass noise in the background, and so the audio from my videos can be a little bit better. Next thing we need is a camera. Even though my iPhone do really good at recording, like, she's definitely T, but I prefer a camera. That way I can use my phone for other things I'll be needing my phone for. But tonight I am going to be doing something that I never did, but I'm going to be doing it with y'all. So when I had gave birth to my stillborn son, they had gave me this book. I never read it, but I have it. I have it on my mommy corner that I have. And when I get out of the shower and stuff, tonight I think I want to finally read the book. So tonight I'm going to be reading the book to my son. Hopefully I don't get emotional and all sad and cry-eyed, and I can just, you know, read to him, kiss him, and, you know, good night, and we can get into editing and stuff. But you never know. I'm finna go ahead and hop in the shower, and I will see y'all when I get back. Alright, dolls, so I am out of the shower. I feel good. I feel great. I'm finna go ahead and, oop, I dropped it, but I'm finna go ahead and go in with my Dark Kisses lotion. My body soap is also the same, and yeah, we love her. So I am lotioned down. I am fit to put on my pajamas real quick, and then I'll be back. Boom, y'all, we're back. Look at my PJs. Like, I know they're not Christmassy, but it do give, like, it matches my room and my Christmas tree, so she's cute. But yeah, so next we're gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. Actually, no, I was gonna brush my teeth because I knew I was gonna smoke. Well, I was gonna brush my teeth because I just smoked with my friend, but I know I want to smoke again because I'm finna have to read the book to my son, and I don't want to be sober. I know that sounds crazy, but shit, yeah, that's the truth. So give me a second. All right, I'm finna go in and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I am back. I'm finna go ahead and brush my teeth so I can get the smell out of my mouth. y'all, so we are all done with that. Next, I'm gonna get into my skincare routine. If you have been watching me for a minute, you would know CeraVe is my best friend when it comes to my skincare. Me and CeraVe go together real bad. I've been using CeraVe for like the past 4 or 5 months, and for my skin, it has been doing beautiful magic, and I'm just never gonna stop using her. Like, no, never, never, ever. And my skin looks amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and get into reading my son the book. All right, y'all. So we are here at my beautiful mommy corner. Here's the book right here. It is titled "We Were Gonna Have a Baby, but We Had an Angel Instead." And then I have my son right here. And yeah, y'all, I'm already like, I don't know. Page 1. We were gonna have a baby, but we had an angel instead. My mommy had a baby in her tummy. I was really excited about that most of the time. I gotta show him too, y'all. I gotta show him too. I thought about playing ball. I thought about playing ball with my baby, and building a fort, and playing tricks on our parents. I loved to listen to the baby and talk to the baby. And I really liked it when the baby would knock on mommy's tummy to get my attention. Damn, they just said it like it was nothing. The baby died. Our baby is not going to live with us. We are all sad right now. Mommy sits in a rocking chair, holding the baby blanket, and cries a lot. Daddy is building a box to put some of the baby's presents in. Even Grandy and Pops wish the baby would have stayed. I'm sad too, but I think they are sadder. Granny says the baby can always live in our hearts. People send us flowers and cards, but we still miss our baby. If this just happened to you, I'm sorry you got an angel instead of a baby. I think having a baby would have been more fun. And then that's the end of the book. Alright, y'all, so yeah, that's the end of this Vlogmas. That was my first time reading the book, and it's definitely something. It's definitely something. But yeah. I'm gonna end the video right here. I will see y'all tomorrow. And this is a good night from me and my son. Bye, y'all.